In this video, we will show you how to install corner stabilizers on your polytunnel. Corner stabilizers help strengthen your polytunnel by spreading the load from the wind. Here are the parts you'll need. There are 4 corner stabilizers, one for each corner. The corner stabilizers are positioned between the end hoop and the first intermediate hoop. The corner stabilizer is 1.57 meters long and flat on both ends. Fit a Q-clip 18 centimeters up from the hoop and foundations joint on the first intermediate hoop. If the Q-clip is stiff, use a hammer to tap the Q-clip onto the tube. Use a pair of pipe grips to close the prongs together. Locate the flat end to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole, ensuring the threaded part is on the inside of the polytunnel. The bottom of the Q-clip should be on the 18 centimeter mark. Screw on a nut and firmly tighten. Position a Q-clip on the end hoop and locate the flat end to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure into place with a nut. Place a spirit level on the end hoop and adjust the Q-clip up or down until the hoop is vertically aligned and firmly tighten the Q-clip. Repeat this process to fit the corner stabilizers on the remaining 3 corners of your polytunnel. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel at construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.